There we go. We pulled the truck ahead and got a nice big gap in here. So let's go start hooking up this Haloview backup camera. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put this suction mount onto the windshield where we want it to stay, and then we'll just position this, because it bends so easily, position the monitor exactly where we want it. So I got to take this, they have a film on here you got to take off. And it's not only just a suction, it's got sticky stuff here, like really sticky. So you want to put it exactly where you want it and not move it, kind of thing, because that's going to be key to this whole process here. So I'm just going to put it as low down as I can, as it'll go down. Maybe I'll put it up the other way. Maybe I'll put it up that way, because that'll work better, because I can put it lower. There we go. So now I just stick it on here, stick it on, and then I pull this lever here, or push it, and that suctions it right on there, and that shouldn't go anywhere at all. So there you go there. Now what you do is take the monitor, and it's got a metal plate there specifically for the battery, the magnet, and then you just plunk it right on there like that, just like that. So then you can position this any way you want it. I'm going to have it up like this and like that, and it's going to bounce around a little bit, so that's probably a good idea to have put these brackets in so that it can sit down and sit solid. So I'm going to put those on, and it'll just, it's got screw holes here. I don't want to screw it onto anything because I don't want to damage the dash of my vehicle. Now where'd they go? Oh, here. No. So what I can do, I have these little screw knobs here. Put this mount up on here. I'm hoping this will work. Okay, come on. There we go. There. Come on. There. And these will tighten the bracket down. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Put this side on. There, now that'll tighten the monitor and keep it exactly where I want it to be. So what I'm using this for now, I'm just going to use it as a brace for this for the monitor itself, so it doesn't bounce so much on the there. That's going to hold it. It's just going to sit there like that, right? Because everything's solid. It'll move a bit, but I can get some sticky adhesive stuff and just stick that right down there, so I can remove it without putting holes in there for the screws, right? So anyway, that's that. Take these off. Little wire ties here. There we go. This is for when you want to charge both your camera and the monitor and stuff. It's a dual one, but we don't need that one. What we need is this one. And this piece just goes right in there like a standard plug. But this one here, it fits just perfectly, and it has a slot there. So you have to line these up perfectly when you're doing your monitor there. And there's only one way they can go on there. And you don't want to force it if it's not in the right position. So that's in there. And then you just plug this into your cigarette lighter, into your power. So then I just push that button and turn it on. Okay, so this should be on now. I might have to turn the truck on to actually get the power going, but we'll see. There we go. Whoops, it didn't stay on. No signal. Oh, I know what. No signal. Okay, so what we have to do, I forgot about the antennas. So we put one antenna on here on your monitor. This is how you do the wireless from your monitor to your backup camera. So you can position these any which way you like to. I think they do tilt, but being straight up and down for this one is good. Okay, so that's that part. Hit the button. You take this antenna and you screw it right onto the camera mount here with the battery in the camera, and there you can actually tilt them like that. When you got it on the back of your truck or camper or wherever, you need it in the up position like that for it to function properly. That's what the instructions say anyway. So that's on there. Now all I have to do is turn on the camera, hit the power button here, there we go, it's on now. Oh, so here's the monitor. I'm going to turn the monitor on. There you go, the monitor's on, and you can hear my voice. It's got voice activation too, so if there's anyone behind you, standing behind you, it's beeping because I'm actually too close with the camera, and it's giving interference. But you can hear my voice on there, and you can see my face on the monitor here. There's my face. Whoops, I'm going to hold that over there. But you see it's got sound and it's got camera and everything. So this is really good. So now I'm going to take the camera and go and mount it on the back of the vehicle. So here now, we're just going to mount this right here on the truck, right on the tailgate here. This is a really hefty battery, magnet, very hefty magnet. Now for doing the backing up and hooking up your trailer to your truck to your trailer, wow, that is a really hefty magnet. There we go. What you need to do is you have to have it centered to your ball here. That way you get a perfect alignment for backing up and that. When it's just seeing what's behind you, then you can put it wherever you want. But now, and then here, you need to position this camera here. It tilts. It will tilt. I'm going to have to use both hands, but